Facebookers and Facebookers and YouTuber fans, this is Michael Fletcher. I'm back here with you again. And this here is the new seal. Fully put on the door. Sealed up very nicely. Okay. Now, this is the old rubber seal. Okay. That goes around the door. I'm going to replace that next. And then this is the newbie. So, just to kind of give you an idea, this is what this one looks like. Okay. And this is what this one looks like. On. A lot less smushed. But this one will probably do that too on over time. But I'm going to put this in and I'll get back with you guys.